Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect winter boot that will keep your feet toasty warm, you got to check out this pair from UNTMENU. These boots are so warm and comfy, and I really like that they're perfect for me and my daughter to use. For one thing, what's really nice about them is they're nice and rugged. So these make an awesome walking boot outside, even in snowy weather. I also really like that the boots are easy to put on and put off. They're mid-calf length, but the ties themselves are really easy to use. You can see that it has a little lock that will hold them in place, and they do not loosen at all while you're walking. The boots are nice and lined, so they're really warm and fuzzy inside as well. They're comfortable to use, the sole is nice and thick. I really feel like these boots are perfect for my daughter because not only are they nice and clean so she can use them to dress up, but she can also use them if she's just going to go out playing in the snow. They make for a perfect warm winter boot that will keep us going all winter, but that's just my point of view.